Customize LabVIEW itself, go to Tools menu and from there select Options at the bottom. When the Options dialog box appears, from the Category section, select the category that you would like to change the options of, like Front Panel, Block Diagram, Controls and Function Palettes, Environment, Search, Paths, Printing, Source Control, Menu Shortcuts, Revision History, Security, Shared Variable Engine, VI Server, Web Server, and FPGA module. Once you have a category selected, then you can go to the options that are shown on the right side and then can select or deselect the options from there. Once you are done, click the OK button and your options will be applied. For some options to take effect, you would have to restart LabVIEW. Hope this helped you. Thanks for visiting, and please come back to the channel again if you want to view more LabVIEW programming related videos. Thanks.